Hi, and welcome to Airstream Facelift. Today we're going to talk about Emmeline and the progress that we've made on this old 1987 girl. We're going to show you the wallpaper that's up, the tile, the flooring, we've installed the furniture, the tops have gone in. She's still a ways to go, but we have made a lot of progress, and I just want you to see how cool she's turning out. So let's head inside. So there you have it. That's what Emmeline looks like currently. Of course, I'll be back with another update when she is closer to being finished or possibly all the way finished, which shouldn't be that much longer. I know it feels like or looks like it's got a long way to go, but she'll be moving pretty quickly from here on out. I really appreciate you sticking around to the end. I look forward to seeing you back here again to share with you another one of our Airstream projects. See you soon.